Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Courtney and I am here to do my lip roulette. And so, last update, I feel like it's been ages, but last update, I was not centered. Last update I had 5 instead of 4 to use, so let's just talk about them really quick and what I kind of decided to do. So I am going to keep the Kaja Cushy, what is this called? Cushy Vibe. It's a red. I'm gonna keep that. I'm also going to keep Hypno from Ofra, and then the All Matte Up from Hard Candy is going to be a keep as well. Same with Vibe from Lime Crime. This is a metallic velveteen. I actually really like this. And then I am going to be decluttering the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Backstage Bambi because I was looking into my soul and I just don't think I'm ever going to use this. I've given up on having a job that's not a day, like a 9-to-5 desk job kind of situation where I have to look like an adult. So I'm going to declutter this and then let me pull out all the lip products that are left. All right, so there are 5 left. So we're gonna just do all 5. I lied, there are 6. We're gonna pull them all out. If the white balance would focus, that would be super cool. So first there are a couple of minis. So let's talk about those. 2 are from Sephora, and then this one is from Buxom. This is the big and sexy pink decoy. What does that even mean? And it is like a bright pink. I think I've only worn this once. And like, it's like fluorescent pink. It's not coming up as bright on camera as it is in real life. The formula is like super creamy though. It's like really, really nice. For the Sephora, this is a like vampy kind of berry color. They look so similar on camera, but they're so different like in person. And then this is, I believe the silver packaging is like a shine lipstick. Yeah, this is the Sephora Rouge Shine in number 14. And this is just like a really light pink and it's shiny. Like it's almost a barely there kind of situation. And then I have 2 liquid lipsticks. These are both from Kat Von D. This one is in Echo and it's a navy blue, which honestly I think it's gonna go the way of that hot pink because I bought this set when I thought I was gonna be adventurous. Honestly, we're gonna just declutter this now. We're not even gonna try to test it out. And then this is in Vampira. It is a full size I got in a swap. And this is a very vampy burgundy that's actually really, really pretty. And then the last one is, this is a Tarteist lip paint in Exposed, and this is a nude. And this one, honestly, I kind of think it's gone bad because it is a very different formula from my other one. This is a quick dry matte, which I'm not sure what birthday suit is, but this is a very different formula. So I have the one nude, a burgundy, a clearish pink, a bright pink, and another berry shade. So that is what we're going to be doing. I apologize, my white balance is a little crazy. I'm going to take a picture of my hand and probably just insert the picture so you can see the actual colors because it's being a little bit crazy right now. Thank you guys, like I said, for hanging out with me. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.